Hello, I'm David Mead, the CEO of Terra Bioworks. We are a genome and a metagenome mining company with world-class expertise in big DNA, big data, and AI technologies for manipulating complex pathways, encoding big money therapeutic drugs. We can dramatically reduce manufacturing costs of existing drugs and discover new ones faster. We have strong IP revenues and are looking to raise $10 million in a Series A round. Our leadership team has a broad range of scientific, drug discovery, and business expertise in corporate and academic sectors. I sold my previous company, Lucigen, for $70 million 3 years ago. I also invented a technology called TA cloning that generated almost $1 billion for Thermo Fisher over the last 25 years. Today, I'll tell you about a technology that is worth 10 times that. Our customers include large global companies as well as some of the most prestigious universities in the world. Biology runs on a digital code of DNA. Terra Bioworks can edit microbial DNA pathways, allowing us to rewrite the code and thus reprogram microbes to manufacture large quantities of existing and new natural product drugs, which will disrupt the CMO landscape. Traditional pharma companies use conventional methods that can take years and even decades to optimize drug production and discovery. Most importantly, our technology will establish new manufacturing IP worth hundreds of millions of dollars for multiple different compounds. Drug production and discovery is problematic for many reasons shown here. The DNA pathway or operating system is very large, complicated, difficult to work with and control. Terra Bioworks has developed a new generation of tools to rapidly reprogram the production of natural product compounds, such as the antifungal drug nystatin and the antibiotic vancomycin shown here. Terra Bioworks genome mining tools is what differentiates us from others. As you can see on the left, our technology has been used to clone over 110 large drug pathways using our in vitro DNA trap methodology. Here are some of the drugs that have been captured and expressed using Terra technology on the right, and it represents over $1 billion in sales using old-fashioned expensive methods. This experience has prepared us well for entering the drug manufacturing business. So how do we stack up in the synthetic biology of natural product landscapes of companies? Loto, Warp Drive Bio, LifeMine, Bayer, BAS, and Syngenta are current or former companies. As you probably know, Loto was just purchased by Zymergen, and Ginkgo just bought Warp Drive a few years ago, and they both went public for many billions of dollars. We believe we're a mini unicorn in a very valuable niche, and this is why we're using our own technology to generate new drug assets instead of making them for others. Our go-to-market strategy is to reduce the cost of goods for very expensive drugs such as cyclosporin and pledecin. We think we could save $1 billion in cost of goods for manufacturing both of these compounds and earn 9-figure royalties. Many drugs trying to enter clinical trials struggle to make it to market due to limited supply problems. Our technology solved that problem. You can see the natural products we are pursuing are substantial market opportunities. Financial modeling and customer feedback suggest that our business model could see revenues exceeding $25 million in a few short years. These are very conservative estimates, and we think this business is scalable to a very large company. We're seeking $10 million in new investments, and the funds will be used to overproduce existing complex natural products such as Didendum, 17S, and cyclosporin to make a new variant of rifamycin for tuberculosis and a new compound to treat crop pathogens. Customers are existing pharma and biotechs with problems producing affordable compounds. We envision an acquisition exit in 5 to 7 years for 9 figures. We have 3 foundational patents that are strong starting points. I just want to remind you the most valuable IP centers around the heterologous expression of existing compounds, which have never been manufactured that way before. Thank you very much for your time and attention, and you can see my contact information at the bottom of the slide here.